Good morning guys! Very exciting ang araw na to kasi isa po ito sa mga bucket list. Kadalasan, especially ako, bucket list ko to. Bucket list ni Mami. And at the same time, si JY kasama namin para enjoyin ang buong araw na to. Kaya samahan nyo kami at maraming magaganap sa vlog na to na titiyakin ko sa'yo na mag-e-enjoy ka din at parang kasama ka na rin. Let's go! Alright, so syempre, before tayo totally dumating sa Universal Studio, nandito muna ako ngayon sa balcony. Okay, sa balcony ng aming tinuluyan dito sa Singapore, which is Hotel Boss. Highly recommended, of course. Si Mami ang pumili. Mami, kaway ka naman dyan. How about my ate JY? Are you ready to go to the Universal Studio? Yes. Okay, so before that, pakita ko muna sa inyo ang view sa harapan ko habang ako ay umiinom ng tsaa at nag-i-imagine pa ng mas maraming blessings, mas maraming experience, at mas matabi pang gagawin sa buhay dito sa Singapore. So tingnan nyo naman ang lugar. So share ko muna sa inyo kasi sayang naman kung hindi natin makikita to. Bakit? Not every day of my life nandito ako sa lugar na to, kaya sinusulit ko po siya. And isa po sa mga reason bakit pa kami nagta-travel, para magkaroon kami ng iba't ibang klase exposure. So dito naman sa kabila, ayan, at the top of Singapore. Ayan o, napakaganda ng Singapore. Para siyang BGC na anywhere na BGC. Ate, how's the place? How's the view? Is it beautiful? Yes. So, na ultimong anak namin. Diba? Na-enjoy. Ayan. So, namnamin natin yan kasi mamaya hindi na ako siguro masyado magbo-vlog na pagpunta doon sa Sentosa. Pero tingnan natin, siguro pitik-pitik lang ng mga clips. Pero ang highlights talaga sa araw na to is already done. Singapore. Yung Universal Studio. So, kaya dapat abangan nyo, manood kayo. Kasi malay mo, pagpunta mo din dito sa Singapore, alam mo na kung sa anong mga rides ang dapat mong puntahan.
Welcome to Universal Studio!
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes! Let's do this! Alright guys, welcome to Universal Studio, and this is our first time. And katulad po ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, napakarami. Okay? Napakaraming magaganap sa umagang ito, sa araw na to, dahil isasagad po natin ang experience dito sa Universal Studio. I don't know kung gaano karaming rides ang pwede namin magawa. I don't know kung lahat ba ng rides ay game si Ate JY. Kasi ako, kami ni Mami, 100% kahit anong rides pa yan. Siyempre, basta magkasama kami. Di ba, May?
Yes.
O, di ba? So, Ate, are you ready? Yes. Okay, so, the train. Woohoo! And good news, para may idea kayo, ito yung mapa ng Universal Studio. And we came here early. Masyado ba tayo maaga? It's okay, at least ma-maximize natin agad. Okay? So, kita-kits tayo sa pagpasok mamaya dito sa alright. So, bili na kami ng ticket.
How much?
Universal Studios, $92 for one adult.
92.
So, sa mga pupunta dito,
Don't have. Included for all the rides and also the shows, but no meal vouchers, nothing. anything else.
Alam mo yung feeling na kami yung pinakaunang nakapasok dito sa Universal Studio. Bakit? Kanina kasi may nilapitan sila na isang family. Ino-ofera nila na gusto nyo ba na kayo maunang pumasok para mag-picture taking. So, medyo nagkahiyaan yung unang family. Eh tayo medyo makapalang mukha natin. Nung lumapit sa atin yung crew, yes agad. Ayan o. Can I include yung my vlog? Ayun. Thanks to Shahid. And Dennis, thank you. The first to enter Universal Studio pa yun. So may ganap. So, tignan nyo. May, ano masasabi pang tayo na unang pumasok nito? Wow. Wow, so nakapasok pa tayo dito.
So we're going to practice here.
Ayan ah. Tignan mo nga naman ang pagkakataon. So, nakalain mo nakapasok pa tayo dito sa exclusive area ng Singapore, ng Universal Studio. Kasi nga kanina, again, naghahanap sila ng ng magiging model na family. Eh, yung unang family nalapitan, medyo nagkakahiyaan. Eh, tayo makapal talaga mukha natin. Say hi, ate, say hi. Wow.
Okay, we're going to practice.
Let's go. Practice. Let's do this.
So we're going to say, Ate, we're going to say, okay. Hi everybody, we are the Carlos family. Lights, camera, action. See?
Are you ready?
Okay, are you ready? Going to do it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Later pa. Later pa, sorry.
So this is your first sticky.
This is?
Yeah, this is the
Oh, so we don't need to light anymore.
you fill your line up in the express line, but then you can use this to skip the normal.
Just kidding. Okay.
Wow, grabe. Thank you.
So later I'll come back to fetch you to go out.
Yeah.
So you wait here.
Alright.
Yes.
Free water.
Wow, free water. Thank you. Iba talaga ang iba ang labanan. Iba ang labanan.
Diba may alam?
Napakaswerte mo naman, ate. Ate, say hi. Uy. Gaano ka naman? Sarado pa po yung Universal Studio. Sarado pa yung Universal Studio. Pero tayo nandito na sa loob. First attraction kung saan siguro sinushooting Fast and the Furious. So nag-video na ako kasi hindi ko alam kung no camera. Pero I think dito ginagawa yung mga video, mga pelikula namin.
Paano pinipil?
Paano pinipil?
Cue the waves.
Stop flash.
Walang plan.
Cue the thunder. Cue the rain. And action.
This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately.
Galing, no?
Live here in the Channel 8 newsroom. Let's go to one of our reporters in Midtown. They say this could be one of the storms of the century. What can you tell us? Wherever that sign lands, we only hope there are no people nearby.
Extinguish all flames.
Kala mo totoong-totoo rito sa personal eh. Kala mo totoong-totoo sa personal eh. Kala mo totoong-totoo eh.
The authorities have the situation under control.
It's okay, it's okay.
Let's reset. Everything goes back to normal.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your personal belongings and exit
Barko.
to your right.
Dito na tayo sa Transformers. Yun o.
Citizens of Earth, I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. We have received word that Megatron seeks the All-Spark, so he can gain control of your world.
Can I see your shades? Wow! How about mommy? Wow! So, nandito tayo sa lugar ng mga Autobots. Ate JY is already a treasure hunter.
I thought it's
One of the most recommended rides, the Mummy, and kids are not allowed. Express tayo, walang pila. The Lost World. May mga meron dito. I think it's a dinosaur. Depende lang din sa brush part. May naka, okay na. Diyan na. O, dyan na. Pwede nga si Jeva yun. Jurassic Park. Are you excited, ate? Are you ready, ate?
Yes.
But no cellphone allowed later. This is it. Sabi nila, mapapasa ka na, mawiwit ka. Okay lang sa akin. Okay lang sa akin. Ay, talagang malubag. Hindi mo sa kasabay. Kasabay niya ito si JY. Ito na ika. Wala. Are you ready, ate? Ate, are you happy? Basa. Bakit? Ate, are you ready? Let's go. Castle. Let's go. Wow. Wow. Ay, Cinderella get yun eh. Assign. Oh, yun eh. Shrek. Ito kami ngayon sa Far Away. 2 p.m. What's this? Up, Donkey Live. Ate, are you excited? Are you excited? Oh. Let's go.
So this is the all night.
Are you ready, Ate? Ate, are you ready? Ate. Spaghetti, oh.
3 hours later.
We're almost done. And actually, ngayon lang ulit ako nakakuha ng clip gawa ng sobrang lumakas yung ulan dito. And natigil lahat ng rides. And ang good news naman dito, masasabi ko na kahit papano boundary na. Boundary na yung aming ganap kasi halos naman marami ang nagawa naming activities. Siguro ang konti lang nagawa ko yung roller coaster. Hindi ako nakasakay dahil ngayon pa lang sana, pero biglang umulan, tumigil na yung rides. But marami ang nangyari. Picture namin. At ang pinakapanalo sa lahat, kami yung nag-opening kanina.
Opening family.
Congratulations on being selected as the opening family. We hope you enjoy your time. Carlos family. Oh, not everybody given this kind of chance, Ate. Thank you. Hi guys! Ayan, finally, dito na po nagtatapos ang aming napakahabang adventure dito sa Universal Studio. Kaya kung nasimulan mo to kanina at natapos mo, hopefully na-inspire po kayo, especially sa mga katulad namin na parents na may mga kids katulad ng ganito kakulit. Say hi, Ate. Pagod na po. So, hopefully na-inspire po kayo namin to do more, work more para yung mga gusto ng mga anak natin, mga ganitong klase experience ay maipapa-experience po natin. Kaya sa lahat po ng nanonood ng vlog na to, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat and happy changing lives. Thank you!